Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my mini happy planner. And no, this isn't your typical layout. I'm doing another bullet journal spread. And this week I'm going to try and combine my social media with my everyday planner just to see if I can simplify my setup. I feel like I'm using way too many planners right now. And there's nothing wrong with using that many planners, but I just feel like for myself, I need to simplify. So this week, if you guys haven't seen on Instagram, I've been part of a little collaboration on a hashtag HP Who Done It, and this week we're all doing our Halloween spreads to commemorate, who killed Goal Getter. If you guys haven't seen any of those reels or IGTVs or anything like that, go to Instagram and check it out under the hashtag HP Who Done It. It's been a really fun collaboration. So this week I'll be using stickers from fall and seasonal, and I'll be using these two mild liners. So I'm going to try to do purple and orange. I know that's not really orange, but close enough. And then I'm going to draw in my whole outline. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just do my headers with the purple and the orange. And I've already gone in ahead here and kind of damn it. Already I'm screwing up. No, it's okay. I'll do the purple for the top two, and then the bottom two will do the kind of orangey peach. So this will kind of be the headers for each day. And I've already kind of drawn in where all of these boxes are, just to make it easier for me to be able to start drawing things in. There we go. I do like the alternate pink and purple and orange, so very good Halloween colors. And I don't normally like doing Halloween spreads, but I think this one's going to turn out really well. Then I'm going to go ahead in here and use my ruler and draw out the different squares. Alright, so I think I made a little mistake on the measurement there, but whatever. Okay, so now that the boxes are done, I feel like I can add a few tiny stickers in here. I won't go crazy with stickers because I still want this to be a very simple spread. I'm really trying to go for simplicity versus like a crazy amount of stickers. So what I'm going to do is actually place this Halloween sticker, or this pumpkin sticker, right. I'm gonna white that out first and place that Halloween sticker here to kind of cover that up. Cute. Then I don't want to do too much in terms of like Halloween stuff. And a lot of these stickers, I don't have too much of the decor anymore. I have, Boo. I've used a lot. I think I've used all of the Halloween already in this, which for me is surprising. What I might do is if I take this and actually put it in here, I'm going to cut out where it says today. Or just cut out the part that I don't need above that, so that I still get the kitty cat in here. Then there's also the pumpkin. There's a lot of pumpkins. I love that cat. Let's see. honestly, there's not a lot in here that's left for me to use. So what I can do, just this little happy Halloween. I'm gonna do it like this. And then underneath that, using the purple, I'm going to just write the hashtag HP Who Done It. It's been so fun being part of this collaboration. I'm so thankful for Sarah of Plan Positives and Katie of Fake It Till You Make It for organizing it, because it has been fun. Ooh, I found more. I did find more. I think I could totally make this work. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and first though write in the days of the week. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and write in this day by day, which is really different for me. So what I'm gonna try to do is, let's see, how do I want to do this? So do I want to just do, do I want it? So I'm gonna go in here and actually just draw in circles for anything that I do need to get done this week. Any big important reminders. Then I will do the same for here. And I could have used the stencils, but I didn't really feel it. So Mondays I normally have to meal plan. And then I order our groceries. And then I believe I am actually meeting Adrian for a walk. But if it has to be, last week has to be rescheduled because the rain was just so bad. So those are the 3 things that I have to do on Monday. And then in terms of like my social media, I'm thinking, because the day is the 14th, so I won't be putting anything out on Instagram or on YouTube, because I'm really trying to not minimize, but really working on being purposeful in that. So then I'm going to put a camera sticker here for, it'll be for Instagram, for IG, and then it will be my After the Pen spread from last week, which will be on a color background. Okay, then let's go to Tuesday, which I can do the circles in purple. And I'm already thinking ahead. Tuesday, there's not normally much that I have to get done, but I'll add these to-do circles in here just in case anything does come up. And then Tuesday the 15th, I'll be posting this spread. So this will be the spread in Instagram, and that will be a vertical. I say vertical, but it will be this on a white background. And then that will also be the day that the YouTube video will come out. So I'm going to use these little things here for the YouTube video, and that's when this one is going to come out. So I say vertical. I'm going to just write on top Bujo. Bullet journal, vertical. All right. Okay, so that's Tuesday. and then there won't be anything coming out on YouTube that day. So then that is Wednesday. So let's move to the rest of the week. So Thursday I will be picking up groceries. Just the main thing. So 6 o'clock, pick up groceries. It is also the day I need to film my fitness spread. And then on that day, let's see, for Instagram, we've got, so that'll be Thursday the 17th. So that will be my horizontal spread, which is my journal, which will be on a white background. And then I will be putting that video out on YouTube as well. I actually am really liking these icons. YouTube, and then this will be horizontal. Horizontal spread. Friday, I'm like, what? Oh, Friday, gosh. Friday I have a couple of things to do on the Friday. So Friday, Robin and I have a dentist appointment. Move that over like this. So that will be working 7 o'clock to 3. I don't normally work Saturdays, which is why I don't normally write that down. And then I'm going to be doing bed linens, kind of the perks of working at home is that you can do that, and then so fold laundry. Woo. Then I'm gonna take, I'm stuck here, hold on, whoop. I'm gonna see if I can find, no, okay, that's fine. So then on the 19th, I will be putting out the Instagram photo for my Archer and Olive, which I am actually really enjoying so far, and that will be on a white background. And then I'll also put out the YouTube video for it. What do you guys think of this layout so far with these? I think it's actually turning out really, really well. And then, oh, one important thing that I'm forgetting for Saturday, I think 6 o'clock, PIMS and facials with Amanda. Yay. And then Sunday is our big cleaning day. Now I could have used icons for all the cleaning and dentist appointments and stuff, but I really wanted to keep the icons just for social media, just to make it a little bit easier for my life. So All right, so far I really like it. I like being able to use icons again because I have really liked the journaling sticker book. Now I'm gonna go in, just looking at it. So I'm only putting out 4 videos next week, which is a huge decrease for me because normally I'm putting out 7. I'm glad to be able to get that down a little bit. So now I can add a few stickers. I don't want to add that there. There. Let's just add that. Let's do it here. So add the Halloween sticker here. Oh, I enjoy that. And add a few bats around. That's cute. Then I'm going to take this sticker and actually cut it because I like the graphic underneath, but now I feel like there's not going to be enough room for it, so I'm going to have to cut it out. I haven't fussy cut stickers in a while. And then I can still use the stars. Trying to fussy cut as best as I can while not trying to take up too much of your guys' time. Oh, I enjoy that. Perfect. And then I can take these stars and actually I won't even try. I'm going to just add stars around. Can you think I can draw pumpkins with this? I don't even want to try. I don't want to try. I'm really, really bad at drawing. Okay, what do you guys think of that? I actually do really like it. It's definitely different from what I'm used to, but I think going forward, it'll help keep me really organized in terms of it really is just about to-do lists. I do like the icons, but I don't know how I feel about going forward and using icons for everything in the future, but tell me what you guys think of that. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like this type of video, please let me know. If you have any questions, do mention them in the comments down below. And thank you guys again so much for watching. Have a great day.